Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Loren, and today we have a practice to support you after a night of poor or interrupted sleep. Even if you didn't get the rest you needed, your body can still recover. This is your time to pause before the day begins and give your system a chance to restore what was missed. Begin to find your most comfortable Yoga Nidra position. Support your body any way that you need so that you feel completely comfortable for the practice. And allow your attention to gently shift inwards, letting your senses begin to draw away from the outside world. Feeling as though the room that you're in is still present, but you begin to turn towards yourself. Begin to feel into the outline of your body, noticing the places where sensation feels the most vivid. And then maybe noticing warmth or coolness. Or maybe places of contact. Feel into the presence of your back body, the shoulders, spine, hips, and legs. Allow these areas of your body to soften downward. Feel and know that you are completely supported. Gently notice your breathing. Then instead of watching it, try to attune to the rhythm that's already there. Notice the way the breath expands through the ribs or belly. And the way the ribs and belly recede. With each exhale of your natural breath, offer your body a little more rest. Let's welcome in your intention for this practice, mentally repeating one time. I am restoring my energy for the day ahead. And then let's gather all of your attention to the center of the forehead. And as I move from body part to body part, let there be an invitation for you to tune in to each place of the body and mentally bring restoration and energy to each part of the body named. Mentally bringing energy and restoration to the center of the forehead, center of the eyes, tip of the nose, inside of the mouth, tip of the tongue, root of the tongue, center of the throat, center of the chest, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, and all 5 fingers on the right hand, right waist, right hip, right thigh, center of the right knee, right shin, right ankle, top of the foot, bottom of the foot, and all 5 toes on the right foot. Bring your awareness now to the left side of the body, focusing on the left side of the chest, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, and all 5 fingers on the left hand, left waist, left hip, left thigh, center of the knee, left shin, left ankle, top of the foot, bottom of the foot, and all 5 toes on the left foot at one time. Become aware and welcome in restoration and energy to the back of the body, from the back of the head all the way down to the heels. The whole back of the body. And then welcome that same experience to the front of your body. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And then welcome in the feeling and experience to your whole body at one time. Welcoming energy and complete restoration to the whole body. Keeping your awareness on your whole body, Also, welcome in your attention on the natural breath. Experiencing full body awareness of each breath, moving in and out. Full body breathes in. Full body breathes out. And if it would feel good to you, with each inhale, repeat, I receive. And with each exhale, repeat, I restore. Inhale, I receive. Exhale, I restore. Continue with that for 5 more full breaths. Easily letting go of your attention on this experience and moving all of your awareness to behind your forehead and resting here for 1 minute in pure awareness. Gently welcome in your intention, mentally repeating 3 times, I am restoring my energy for the day ahead. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, fully let that breath go out the mouth. Repeat that again. Big, deep, and slow breath comes in through the nose. And exhale, make that breath even bigger out the mouth. longer and fuller. Notice how you might feel a little better mentally from the time that you woke up or started this practice to now. Notice any shifts or changes in the physical body. Begin to bring small movements back that will allow you to slowly start to awaken from this practice. Then maybe moving into larger movements, and then maybe all the way into a full body stretch. Ensuring that you take your time to slowly awaken from this practice, honoring this deep place of rest that you are just in. As your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.